Okay, a warm good morning to all of you. All of you turn on your videos. All of you turn on your videos. Okay. Is it audible to all of you? Is it audible to all of you now? Shailesh, is it audible to you? Right. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will start the session as we have closed yesterday till that. Yes, if we are if we are going for an interview and we have to respond some questions that we don't know, right? So what we need to do, we need to provide the spontaneous answer. Whether if you don't know the answer, you can directly say, "Sorry, sir, no idea about the question." If you know the answer, you can speak about the answer confidently, right? That we have discussed, right? Or whatever has been asked, right? Respond that answer only. It means do not try to make a chain that yes, suppose somebody will ask you that who is Sita, right? So if someone is asking about the Sita, so do not escalate that particular opinion that yes, we have Ravan, take over the Sita and that is a Shogvatik and all, right? If they will ask you that yes, who is Sita, then speak about the Sita, right? That is my, yesterday's core objective or core moral subject under which I want to explain you people that yes, if somebody will ask you the related question, so you have to respond with the related content only, right? Do not do not be troubled from the topic, whatever has been asked to you. Right, students? Okay. So we will recontinue the today's session as we have already covered up yesterday about that TCP/IP layered architecture, which we have been discussed, on last few conversations or on last few decade, last few days, right? So today we are going to discuss about the we are going to discuss about the that internet working layer, right, students? It means we have the various kind of interfaces, right? So if we are talking about the network interface layer, it means generally there is a term NIC, network interface card, right? Anyone among the group can are aware about the network interface card? Shilpi Bharadwaj. Shilpi, unmute your mic, beta.
No, sir.
Network interface card, right? See, again, you did the same mistake. If you don't know the answer, you have to say politely, sorry, sir, no idea about it, right? Don't directly say no, right? Are you getting the point? Right? Anyone else among the group who know about the network interface card, they can speak by themselves. Yes, please, Shailesh. What is network interface card?
It is a device that is used to connect a computer into a network.
Right, right. I mean, see, we can't say that there is a built-in network interface card. There is a built-in network card which is being attached with your system. Because guys, what happens once your system is being connected, right? Once your system is being connected with the network, right? So there was a port basically. There is a port which is being attached inside your motherboard, or that is the built-in port attached inside your motherboard, right? So that port is known as an Ethernet port. And what is the duty of the Ethernet port? To connect your system with the network with the help of the guided medium, right? It means if your computer is being there in the guided medium, it means if your computer is capable to use the wire based medium, right? So you need a definitely you need the network card inside, right? Or if, see what happens, that on the modern laptops or on the modern computers there was not a, not a port for the network interface card. So for that, what we will do, what we can do, we can connect those laptops through Wi-Fi, or might be that Wi-Fi option is again not available. So there is a converter which convert that USB to Ethernet, right? So there was a male-female converter. So what we can do, that we have to attach that port into that USB, right? And yes, one side there was an USB and another side there was an Ethernet port, right? So if we have been connected that USB port to our laptop, right? So that automatically Ethernet port is being created on the other side if we have attached any Ethernet cable on that, or if we have connected with any RJ45 connector with that, right? So it means at that particular moment that USB is being created as an Ethernet port. Are you getting my point? Right. So this can be possible, because Shailesh, that's okay. But yes, if somehow or if somewhere there is not an option of the Wi-Fi, suppose there is no Wi-Fi modem available at some offices, some ABC offices, right? So वहां पर आपकी क्या हो जाती है, मजबूरी हो जाती है कि आपको कंप्यूटर को कनेक्ट तो करना ही है, लेकिन आप किससे करोगे, एथरनेट केबल से करोगे। केबल से करोगे तो आपके लैपटॉप में एथरनेट पोर्ट है नहीं, तो आपके पास उस समय क्या होना चाहिए, कन्वर्टर होना चाहिए जो कि यूएसबी से किस में कन्वर्ट कर दे, एथरनेट में कन्वर्ट कर दे, ताकि आप उस RJ45 कनेक्टर को अटैच कर सकें एंड यू कैन connect your computer through the Ethernet cable, right? So this is the use of this particular, a system, right? So we are going to discuss about the network interface layer. See, network interface layer is responsible for placing TCP/IP packets on the network medium and receiving TCP/IP packets of the network medium. Yani for the sending or for the receiving of the TCP/IP port packet, TCP/IP was designed to be independent of the network access method, frame format, and medium. In this way, TCP/IP can be used to connect different network types, right? I hope that is clear to all of you, that what is the use of the network interface layer. It means it is generally provide you kind of interface, right? And that interface is applicable for sending or receiving data on both of the ends, right? So that is all about the network interface layer, right? Acha, we have internet layer, right? Acha, what is the internet layer? See, internet layer is nothing, but it is responsible for addressing, right, packaging and routing functions. The core protocols of the internet layer are IP, that is the Internet Protocol, ARP, that is the Address Resolution Protocol. We have ICMP, that is Internet Control Messaging Protocol, and IGMP, that is Internet Group Messaging Protocol, right? Internet protocol is a routable protocol basically. What is the internet protocol? See, all are aware about the IP or internet protocol. All are aware about the internet protocol. Yes. How many of you are aware about the internet protocol among the girls? Yes. We'll start with Shilpa Yadav. Beta Shilpa, what is the internet protocol, or where we use the internet protocol? IP. My question is IP, Internet Protocol. What is the Internet Protocol? Yadav, please unmute your mic.
Set of rules.
But my question is the Internet Protocol. I'm not asking that what is protocol. My question is that what is Internet Protocol? I've been asking about the IP. Yes. What is IP? What is IP? Okay. Bharadwaj, Shilpi. Beta Shilpi, what is the Internet Protocol? IP. Unmute your mic, beta. Yeah. Please. What is IP? You don't know. Okay. Amit Sagar. Beta, what is the internet protocol? Amit, are you there? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What is the internet protocol? IP. Harshit, explain IP briefly.
Sir, IP address
I think there was some network issue.
I
Badola, beta, what is the internet protocol? Kartikeya.
hello.
Harshit, please. Actually, it was the
Ram,
voice is breaking. Not an issue. You can mute. Right. Karthik. Karthik Badola is there. I think he was not hearing me. Adarsh Mishra. Guys who has some, network issues, so you can turn off your video. Don't take bother. Right. बस आप मेरे को चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज कर दीजिए कि माय इंटरनेट इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली सो यू कैन टर्न ऑफ योर वीडियो नॉट एन इशू ओके कार्तिक डोंट नो फाइन ओके शैलेश प्लीज आईपी
IP stands for Internet Protocol. It is an addressing scheme which in which in which an organization IANA provides unique addresses to the different computer which wants to connect to on the internet.
okay how many classes are there for an IP addresses Shailesh?
5.
There are 5 classes. Okay, which class we are using most widely? Which class of an IP addresses we are using most widely?
Class C.
Class C, very good. Class C is a class which is being used most widely. Silpi, is it clear? बेटा अभी ताजा ताजा टॉपिक यार अभी से मत बोलो बेटा अभी तो एग्जाम का कोई शेड्यूल आया नहीं है. Why you have forgotten that particular thing? Shilpa Yadav, the same thing with you. You know the thing, but you don't know that how to, present it, right? So work on your presentation skills. Are you getting my point? Right? So fine. We were talking about the internet protocol or internet layer. Students, see, the internet layer is responsible for addressing, packaging, routing functions. Core protocols of internet layer are IP, ARP, ICMP and IGMP. Internet protocol is a routable protocol. Basically, जो IP का जो definition है, it's a routable protocol responsible for IP addressing, right? Routing and fragmentation and reassembly of packets, right? Acha, what is the reassembly? Anyone else among the group? Adarsh Mishra, beta, what is reassembly? I think he left the class. Fine. Sakshi, beta, how do you explain reassembly in general word? Reassembly means what?
सर रीअसेंबली मीन्स जैसे हमने कोई चीज पहले उसे अलग अलग तोड़ दिया है, असेंबल था उसे तोड़ दिया, फिर देन उसको दोबारा से उसे असेंबल किया सर. जनरल सर.
Shilpa, can you please try?
मतलब कोई इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करनी होती है किसी के पास तो चेक करना कि सही से पहुंची है कि नहीं पहुंची है, अगर नहीं पहुंची है तो उसे दोबारा से भेजना.
Guys, assemble means, what is assemble? Assemble means to prepare something, right? To combine something, that is assemble, right? Reassemble means we thought that things are not in ordered way, right? What I am saying, that things are not in an ordered way and we are going to integrate those things in an order again so that things can be prepared accordingly, right? As generally we resemble the line of queue. क्या होता है ना बेटा कि you're standing in the queue, right? And you thought that that particular people or the guy who's are standing in the queue, those are not standing properly, right? यानी वो जिसकी ज्यादा हाइट है वो आगे बैठा हुआ है, आगे खड़ा है, और कम हाइट वाला पीछे जा रखा है. So what generally you do? You just reassemble, you just reassemble that, right? So reassemble of packet is nothing, but yes, again, the internet protocol is routable protocol which is responsible for IP addressing, routing and fragmentation and reassembly of packets, right? Acha, what is ARP? I think somebody has asked me yesterday that, sir, we want to know about the address resolution protocol. See, generally it is responsible for the resolution of the internet layer address to network interface address such as an hardware addresses. How many of you are clear about it? कितनों को clear हुआ?
सर मेरे को.
नहीं. Can you please explain it to all of us? ARP.
सर एक जो प्रोटोकॉल है उसे हम रिक्वेस्ट के तौर पे भेजते हैं, और अगर हमें किसी नेटवर्क का आईपी पता है तो उसमें जिस होस्ट को हम डेटा भेजना चाहते हैं उसका उस आईपी की मदद से मैक एड्रेस पता कर सकते हैं इस रिक्वेस्ट को भेज के.
बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है, यानी देखिए, इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ द इंटरनेट एड्रेस, ठीक है ना, इंटरनेट लेयर एड्रेस यानी आईपी एड्रेस के बारे में बात हो रही है, टू द नेटवर्क इंटरफेस लेयर. यहां से हम लोग इसको कहा भेज रहे हैं, नेटवर्क इंटरफेस लेयर में बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है ना, एड्रेस सच एज एन हार्डवेयर एड्रेस. दैट इज द वर्क ऑफ द ARP एड्रेस रिजोल्यूशन प्रोटोकॉल, राइट? अच्छा, TCP is responsible for providing the application layer with session and datagram communication services. The core protocols of the transport layer are transmission controlling protocol and user datagram protocol. देखिए, कल मैंने user datagram protocol मैंने भी बताई थी, हर्षित ने भी बताई थी. देखिएगा, TCP provides a one-to-one connection oriented reliable communication services. TCP is responsible for the establishment of TCP connection, the sequencing and acknowledgement of packets sent, and the recovery of the packets lost during the transmission. कितनों को clear हुआ ये point? I think it is clear to all of you. See, the sequencing and acknowledgement of packets sent, right? The sequencing and acknowledgement of packets sent and the recovery of packets lost during the transmission. UDP, user datagram protocol. See, it provides one-to-one or one-to-many connectionless unreliable communication services, right? UDP is used when the amount of data to be transferred is small, such as the data that would fit into the single packet, when the overhead of establishing a TCP connection is not desired, or when the applications or upper layer protocols provide reliable delivery, right? So this is the difference between transmission controlling protocol and user datagram protocol. How many of you have been cleared with the TCP and UDP? Shilpi Bharadwaj, beta, TCP is which kind of protocol, whether connection oriented or connectionless? Please unmute your mic.
Sir, connection oriented.
And what about UDP? UDP किस टाइप का है? UDP. Please unmute your mic, beta. Shilpi. Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't know. Fine. Okay. Karthik Badola was there. Karthike was there. I think Karthike. I hope it is audible to you. Karthike. Amit Sagar. Beta, UDP is which type of protocol? Whether connection oriented or whether connectionless? Amit Sagar.
Yes, sir. Connection oriented, sir.
Very good. Shilpa Yadav. Is it right?
फिर कनेक्शन है.
Very good. Sagar, is it clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
UDP is not a connection oriented, it's a connectionless. I have, speak with good audible voice. UDP provides one-to-one or one-to-many connectionless, unreliable communication services. UDP is used when the amount of data to be transferred is small, such as the data that would fit into a single packet. When overhead of establishing a TCP connection is not desired, or when the applications or upper layer protocols provide reliable delivery, then we are using UDP. Then we have application layer. All are aware about the application layer. Application layer provides applications the ability to access the services of the other layers and defines the protocols that applications use to exchange data. There are many applications layer protocols, and new protocols new protocols are always being developed. Following applications protocols help facilitate use and management of TCP network. The domain naming system, DNS, we have discussed yesterday, it is used to resolve a host name to an IP address. It is used to resolve a host name to an IP address. Routing information protocol, somebody has asked me yesterday. It's a routing protocol that routers use to exchange routing information on the IP network, right? The simple network management protocol, that is SNMP, is used between a network management console and network devices, routers, bridges, intelligent hubs to collect and exchange network management information, right? This is the use of the simple network management protocol. Any confusion to anyone, please? If anyone has any kind of confusion, you can feel free to let me know. If you don't have, you can go ahead, or we can go ahead, right?
Sir,
Yeah, please. Sudai.
sir, can you explain RIP again,
RIP.
please?
Routing information protocol is a routing protocol. It's a routing protocol. It means the protocol generally used when you have been connected with the router, right? So it's a routing protocol that routers, और इसको use भी router ही करता है. कब करता है? It use it to exchange routing information on an IP address, IP internet network, right? It means whatever configuration we did under the router, or whatever routing information we do have, that would be shared with IP internet network. That is the roles and responsibility of routing information protocol. Is it clear, Harshit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. Any other issues? See, whatever I was explaining you, that I have already mentioned inside the PPT, right? That you can go through with the PPT one by one, each and every line, each and every content, even though I am reading it from the PPT, which I have prepared for you people, right? That I have already shared with you. Go through that PPT, you can come to know about each and everything, because I have explained each and everything in a simplest way, right? So I'm just sharing a screen in front of you. Just have a look on that screen. Just wait a moment. Students, have a look. I've been shared a screen in front of you. I hope you all received this screen. It's a TCP/IP protocol shoot. I think the same question has been asked to me yesterday by Harshit Tyagi, right? See, it's a protocol shoot and communication processes, right? Let us take it from the network access layer, then we have internet, then we have transport, and then we have applications. Here we have converter. Here we have presented this particular thing in terms of the TCP/IP model, right? So let us move on to the network access layer first. That what are the various protocols which are being used under this network access layer architecture? We have address resolution, PPP, that is point-to-point protocol. We have Ethernet, we have interface drivers, right? We have internet protocol, we have NAT, we have ICMP, we have OSPF, we have EIGRP, we have routing protocol, we have IP support. Transport layer, on the transport layer we have TCP and UDP. Application layer we have name system, that is DNS. We have host configuration, that is BOOTP, DHCP. We have email, that is SMTP, POP, IMAP, right? We have file transfer, that is FTP, right? And we have TFTP and we have HTTP. Let us start with DNS. DNS stands for Domain Naming System, Dynamic Host Controlling Protocol, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, Post Office Protocol, Internet Messaging Access Protocol. We have File Transfer Protocol, a Hypertext Transfer Protocol, User Datagram Protocol, Transmission Controlling Protocol, Internet Protocol, Internet Controlling Messaging Protocol, right? Address Resolution Protocol, Point-to-Point Protocol, Ethernet and drivers, right? Remaining, whatever I didn't explain or whatever I didn't let you know, right? Just you can find the acronym for those, right? Are you getting my point? Yes. BOOTP protocol. Yes. What is the full form of BOOTP protocol? That is bootstrap protocol. BOOTP is known as an, yes, what we called it? Bootstrap protocol. FTP stand for file transfer protocol.
File transfer
Yes.
protocol.
And TFTP stand for trivial, TRIVIAL, trivial file transfer protocol, right? We have NAT. What is the full form of NAT? What is the full form of NAT? Network Address Translation Protocol. The full form is, yes, Network Address Translation. Shailesh, is it audible to all of you now? Shailesh, sunai de raha hai?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great, right. So you may write it accordingly as I'm explaining, because I didn't explain it by tomorrow, right? That is, yes, Network Address Translation Protocol. Yes. ICMP, what is the full form of ICMP? ICMP stand for what?
Internet Control Message Protocol.
Internet Control Message Protocol. Yes. What is OSPF? Open Shortest Path First. Right. It's a mechanism basically. Right. Open, O for open, S for shortest, P for path first. These are the right routing protocol. We have EIGRP. Yes, this is another routing protocol. What is the acronym for EIGRP? That is enhanced, E for enhanced, I for interior, G for gateway, R for routing, P for protocol. Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. This is the full form of EIGRP. These both are the, yes, Open Shortest Path First and EIGRP. These are the protocols which is used when we are using routing protocols. It means these two comes under the variety of the, yes, routing protocol, right? So I hope you all have written. Any confusion now? Any confusion? Yes. Any confusion? Shailesh, anything left?
No, sir.
NAT. What is the full form of NAT? Yes?
Network Address Transfer Protocol.
No, it's
Network
not.
Address Translation.
Very good. It's Network Address Translation, guys. Don't get confused, na, Shailesh. Right? That is why I have repeated each and everything. You can correct it. It's Network Address Translation. Beta Harshit, anything missed from this architecture? The acronym of any protocol which we have explained?
Sir, triple P stands for point to point, na?
Yeah. It's point-to-point protocol. Yes.
Okay.
Now anything?
No, sir.
Shailesh, देखो, go through.
Sir, POP.
Huh? Post office
Of-
protocol. Post office protocol. POP stand for post office protocol. It's a kind of email. It's a kind of see, if we are configuring the, अभी हम आपको बताएंगे कैसे how to configure the Outlook Express along with your system, right? So उसमें हम लोग use करेंगे सब IMAP, post office, ये सब use करेंगे. Now anything else which is left? Beware students. Yeah. Who's this speaking?
EIGR.
Yes.
So EIGRP की full form.
EIGRP. Yes. Explain, Sailesh. What is the full form of EIGRP? Yes.
Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol.
Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. EIGRP. I hope you have learned the various kind of routing protocols which we are using, right? So, and you all have been aware about the various routing protocols which we have been learned today, right? So, anyone has any kind of confusion or any clarification or any other questions from anyone? So if you do have any kind of questions, you can feel free to ask me. If you don't have, you can. You are thinking that yes, that how to ask this question to sir, or see. So you can just ping me on WhatsApp, or you can write that question under the chat box, right? So any query to anyone, any confusion? I hope you all guys have been subscribed to my channel. I have shared that direct link to all of you within the group, right? Not only the yesterday class, but I have a YouTube channel. So I want that yes, your whole class or entire class must like, share, and subscribe that channel more and more. Shailesh, you subscribe that channel?
Yes, sir.
I don't think so. You have. I think you have only watched that video which I have, uploaded yesterday, right?
Sir,
Just
नहीं
you
sir,
did.
screen share करूँ क्या sir?
No, not a screen share. I need that. Did you subscribe? Subscribe, na? Fine. All
Yes,
of
sir,
you. Right. So what you will do, you just promote it more and more, and you just be prepared the more subscriber for that channel, and we will do some better work for you people, for the people, for the students who are aspiring for some graduation courses or technical graduation courses at BCA, BSc, IT, and many others, right? So any confusion to anyone, or any questions from anyone else? And if you do have any kind of questions, so we'll start with Shailesh. Shailesh, do you have any questions related to anything which we are learning over here in BCM, right? Amit Kumar Sagar, any question, beta? Amit Sagar.
No, sir.
Fine. Shilpi.
No, sir.
Did you prepare the notebook? Yes. आपको तो बनाएंगे. Shilpa Yadav. Any question? Any question? Shilpa Yadav.
No, sir.
Everything is clear? Great. Students, beware. Whatever acronym I have been explained you today, that we will discuss tomorrow, and you all have to be answered all those acronyms which we have explained today, and tomorrow we will try to close, or we will try to conclude each and everything whatever we have been learned under this TCP IP and internet networking, because almost we will take the last 1 week to complete our syllabus, right? Or post that we will make the revision from unit 1 to again unit 4, right? So that's all. Kartikeya, any confusion, beta? Do you have any kind of confusion? Kartikeya Batula. Kartikeya, if there is a problem, so you can turn off your video, right? Yeah, please. Kartikeya, any confusion?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So hang. Yes, sir. No problem.
हाँ बताइए कुछ प्रॉब्लम है बेटा किसी भी चीज में, किसी भी पॉइंट को लेकर के? Harshit Tyagi. Karthik, you can mute yourself. Karthik, you can mute, beta.
So what is the use of DHCP protocol?
That we'll discuss later on. Dynamic host controlling protocol. We have ADS. Harshit, these all are the server qualities, or these all are the features of the server. We have ADS, that is Active Directory Services. We have Dynamic Host Controlling Protocol, that is DHCP. We have DNS, right? We have RIS. We have various services basically, and these are the services of the server, right? So this we will discuss later on if when we will learn the concept of the Windows server, Microsoft Windows server. So then we will discuss this later on, right? These all are the services: DHCP, ADS, WDS, DNS, right? So we have so many other services of the server, right? Any other confusion?
Yes, sir.
Any other confusion, Harshit?
Not now, sir.
Great. Okay. Next, Sakshi.
Not now, sir.
That's it. That's fine. Sakshi,
Yes, sir.
do you have any confusion, beta?
No, sir.
Everything is clear to all of you, na?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, thank you so much, students, for your kind patience. I hope you learned certain things from this session, right? So, till the time, be safe, be happy, be healthy, keep on watching, keep on learning, keep on studying. Thank you so much. Now you can leave the session.
Thank you, sir.